one. Team Rocket grabbing some cubes. Tiger Sharks grabbing some cubes as well. Looks like they are trying to filter out the greens and the purples. Looks like Team Rocket has already started scoring some of the greens into that goal. Tiger Sharks lifting up to push more greens in, and they land 3 of them. Team Rocket going to score more with 35 seconds left. You may not switch your drivers. As we get to 25 seconds, you must have switched by now. Team Rocket looking to get a few more greens in, and it looks like, they just missed it. Team Rocket's going to try to get another green into that goal for that uniform goal bonus. And they get it. With 10 seconds left, we're going to see if any of these teams are going for a park. Tons of cubes by Tiger Sharks in this last goal. Team Rocket goes for the park and they get it. All right, qualification match 49. We got 4-0, 3-0, 1 E.